Hey everybody, welcome to paradise. I am in Hawaii. So sorry for jumping into the future here, but guess what? The month of January is over. It is time for me to show you the images I have been selling in the stock photography market for January 2020. Let's do this. So as always, I like to show you guys the images that have sold for the first time ever this month. However, I just want to put something out there. I am in a very, very busy work and travel schedule right now. So what's going to happen is you're going to see me reduce the number of episodes that I put up to just one a week for probably the next 2 months while I get through this very busy schedule. I mean, I'm going to be out in Florida, Canada. I'm going to be out in Japan. You can see here I'm in Hawaii. And also work-wise, I'm in pretty high demand right now. So don't worry, we'll go back to the normal 2 episodes per week once I get through this really busy time. So here they are, the images that sold for the first time this month. I know that list of images, the first time to sell images, go on and on and on. And I'll be honest with you guys, up until January 15th, I was really worried about sales for January, and then they just exploded. These first time sales came from 4 different states in 5 different countries: US, Canada, Austria, Italy, and South Korea. So let's finish up the first time sales for this past month. So I'm just out here getting some drone footage. Doesn't look like we're going to have a great sunset tonight, but like I always say, never give up on the sunset. So here is my top selling image from Big Stock Photo for the month of January 2020. And this is my top selling image on Deposit Photos. Here's my top selling image from 123RF. Hey guys, here's my top selling image from Dreams Time. And here's my top image from Canned Stock Photo. So yeah, I just put the camera away. Well, it's not happening tonight. I'm going to try and put the drone up one more time when we get a little bit more of the lights from Waikiki up. But anyhow, guys, here is my top selling image from Adobe Stock. Hey guys, this next image you're looking at is really cool because it is the first image I ever sold, and here over a decade later it continues to sell. But this time what's really cool about it is I got over a $15 commission from this image. Now this is how it came out of the camera, because this is way before I knew how to do any post-processing whatsoever. This is Mabry Mill, which is a site located in North Carolina along the Blue Ridge Parkway. So you have it, the top images I've sold this much in the stock photography market. Now remember, if you're interested in travel like I am and want some way to pay for it, I use my photography to do so. And this channel is about that travel, it's about that photography and how to make money with it. So if that interests you, click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'd also appreciate if you guys could leave a comment or two. And also with these upcoming changes to the channel, with me reducing down my number of videos to about once a week, it won't always be that way. But again, it's because I have clients, the job that I created for myself that allows me to travel. Well, my clients, they like me, and I am in really high demand right now. But anyhow, this is just a start of a weekend here in Hawaii. So I'm hoping to be able to get out over the next 2 days and do some more photography. We're supposed to get some amazing weather, but it's going to be a few more weeks before you see these episodes from Hawaii. Still got to show you guys a little bit from the remainder of the New York City adventure, and also some amazing images I captured in Arizona, and then I'll take you out here. And don't forget, Japan and Italy is coming up, so again, click that subscribe button and remember, never stop exploring.